This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Chancey. Fully furnished second floor condo, 1 bedroom 1 bath. Open bright floor plan. Kitchen pass-through wall opened for greater views from the kitchen. Walking distance to shopping and groceries. Minutes to T.H.E. Airport and the beaches. Easy maintenance with the H.O.A covering most everything on the outside: paint, roofs, pest, insurance, lawn, trash, even water/sewer is included. You'll enjoy all the activities offered at Woodside, including the heated pool. Seller offering $2,500 credit towards buyer's upgrades. For more information, review the details below.